slice, cut. She sliced the cake for everyone. He cut the paper with scissors. Injure, hurt. He injured his leg while playing. I hurt my hand yesterday. Dizzy, faint. He became dizzy and sat down. The patient felt faint and weak. Fear, fright. He felt fear in the dark room. The sudden sound caused a fright. Pardon. Sorry. Pardon me for being late. She said sorry after the error. Cautious. Careful. He was cautious when crossing the road. Be careful while driving in the rain. Refreshing. Cool. A cold shower feels refreshing. The evening breeze was cool and nice. Repair. Fix. The mechanic repaired the car. He fixed the broken chair. Rapid. Quick. The train moves at a rapid speed. I had a quick meal before leaving. Sturdy. Strong. The chair looks sturdy and safe. The bridge is strong and well built.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!